7th month pala. Okay, so now this time we don't need to sing a birthday song. Okay, nagpa-practice lang tayo for being 1-year-old. Okay, nakita mo na yung 1-year birthday celebration, Cruiser. Okay, so this time, everybody, all we have to do is to sit down for a while. Okay, before we start our break time or dinner time, Mommy, I need your help. Okay, and of course, guys, later you will witness, okay, the special number of our mommy and daddy. Okay, si Mommy natakot agad. Okay, so Mommy, okay, and of course, this is also a kid's birthday for our celebrant, Cruiser. Okay, so I want you to help me to find and select, okay, 5 ladies here at the venue. Okay, so Mommy, kindly take these cups. Okay, so I need one more. Okay, so here we go. Wow. Okay, so Mommy, I'm giving you only 1 minute to select 5 ladies here at the venue. So now, it's your choice. Okay, and of course, the one who was selected by Mommy, you are very lucky because you have a chance to win a special prize like iPhone 15. Okay, so we go, Mommy. Take your time. Okay, 1 minute. Select some 5 ladies here at the venue. Now, here we go. Okay, who else? Yan, huwag na po kayong mahiya. Okay, so Mommy chose you because you know that you are enjoying the celebration. Okay, so now for those selected by Mommies, can you please come forward and please bring those cups here in front. Okay, all together now. Okay, all 5 ladies. Okay, and of course, remember, if we have some games, we will be having some prizes, but you need to win these games for our birthday celebrant. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Who else? Okay, 4. Yan, okay, who else? Okay, there are total of 5. Okay, come on decide. Okay, tita. Okay, Mommy and Daddy, just enjoy the moment now. Okay, so now here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. Okay, so here we go. So get ready. Okay, so now we will play a game because our celebrant is celebrating his 7th month. Okay, and of course, this is a kids party. We will play a game called Nursery Rhyme. Okay, are you familiar with the game? Okay, Nursery Rhyme. Okay, so now all you have to do, one by one, you need to think of a nursery rhyme and you need to sing in a short song. Okay, so now, kailangan marami kayong maisip and of course, hindi dapat maubusan ng nursery rhyme isa-isa. Okay, so here we go. Get ready. Okay, listen, before we start, what's your name, Ma'am? Annalyn. Okay, how about next one? Che. Okay, so we have Che. La Army. Next one. Irma. Irish. Okay, so we will start from this side. Okay, from Madam Che. Okay, so now, Annalyn. Okay, remember. And go. Okay, Tagalog. Tagalog English nursery rhyme. Okay, so ready. And go. Okay, next one. Okay, next. Next one. Marami pa to.
Ano ba? Rockaway Baby. Meron ba yun? Rockaway Baby.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sorry. Okay, sit down. Okay, 1 is out. Okay, move a little bit here. So now you will do the first nursery rhyme. Okay, ready? And go. Dapat hindi na uulitin yung kinanta nila, ha? Okay, so ready? And go. Okay, next one. Okay, very good. One.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, yun.
Okay, next one.
Tong, 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 tong.
Okay, very good. Next.
Fly, 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 the butterfly.
Okay, very good.
Ay, go, dahil hindi. Malaman ko kung nasasasal.
Next one. 1, 2,
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
very good. Next one.
Row, row, row.
Okay, may kumanta na. Okay, thank you so much. Sit down now. Okay, move on this side. Okay, so now, go.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little
Very good.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down.
Okay, next.
The itsy bitsy spider on the water's top.
Very good. Next one. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, next. Okay, next one. Okay, 1. May kumanta na. Okay, meron na. Thank you so much. Okay, so dalawa na lang kayo. Okay. Ewan dito, okay. I'm giving you 10 seconds to think, ha? Okay, so ready? Here we go. So now, ready, and go! Next one.
Sampung mga daliri, kamay at paa.
Okay, next. Oh! Okay, so I think we have a winner. Okay, pakatagdagan tayo. So ma'am, what's your name again? Che. Okay, let's give a round of applause for Madam Che. Okay, so Madam Che, come over here. Okay, we have a surprise from you. Okay, so here you go. Yan. Okay, so here you go. This is for our winner. Okay, so now, get ready for our English items. Okay, everyone. Okay, 50 seconds left. And everybody at our news will be having our break time first. Okay, so for those who have some propositors, you can grab and copies on our proposal. Okay, so be sure you collect 6 items. Okay, it can be Tagalog or English item. C-R-U-I-S-E. Okay, so now, isa lang R po gagamitin natin. Okay, kasi ito po ang items for the letter R. Okay, 40 seconds. Okay, so here we go. We have one already. I need 2 more winners. Okay, come over here. You have a chance to win our prizes if you complete all 6 items. C-R-U-I-S-E-R. Okay, C-R-U-I-S-E. Isa lang po ang R. Because it has a double R. Okay, so get ready. So if you complete, just all you have to do is to come here because I will check also all your items. Yan, sige, kumpletuhin mo na sir, nagpunta kayo dito. We need to do this first, okay? Tagalog or English item. Okay, so here we go. For our first, okay, contestant, okay, what is your item for letter C? Cellphone, very good, 1 point. Letter R. Ring, very good. Letter U. USB, huh? Very good. Letter I. Irene. Kaya pala dinala ka dito, madam. Okay, how about letter S? Straw. And letter E. Earrings, very good. You are our winner. Take your prize on this side. Okay, so sir, dito kayo. Okay, come on this side. Okay, you have a chance. Okay, all you have to do is to complete those 6 items. Okay, sir, where's the winner? Ayan, si Tita. Okay, what is your item for letter C? Cup, very good. 1 point. Letter R. Rubber shoes. Okay, di ba ang dami? Letter U.
Okay lang kahit butas.
Ano? Oh, pwede. Walang problema.
Underwear.
Underwear. Okay, so na hindi natin pwede makita yan. Okay, letter I.
iPhone.
iPhone. And letter S.
Pintas.
Sintas. Oh, parang walang dinala. Nasa nakatawan niya lahat. Okay, and letter E. Earrings. Okay, very good, sir. Okay, you are our winner. You have a chance to win our prizes. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, here we go. So here, who has any kind of cell phone charger? Charger, any cell phone charger? Cell phone charger, what? Or any power bank? Cell phone charger or any power bank? Come on, master.
Opang
Cell
Gangnam
phone charger,
Style.
any power bank? Check. Very good. Okay, so it's for you. Okay, so now, okay, thank you so much. Last item, okay. Here, I need this. Okay, beautiful mommy, go! Beautiful mommy, come on, beautiful mommy, come on, faster, hurry up! Beautiful mommy! 10, 9, 8, beautiful mommy! Yeah, beautiful mommy, come on! Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, come on, faster, hurry up!
Bakit state yung plato? Ginawa ko din yun.
Ready?
Ay, baka mas.
Okay, here we go. Are you ready now, everybody? Let's count. Hindi na natin sa nakatahan ng birthday song. Okay, everybody, let's count 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Don't let it count. Everybody, let's give a round of applause for our celebrant, Cruiser. Okay, guys, stay where you are because Cruiser's 7th-month celebration will not be complete, of course, if there's no wishes coming from Mommy and Daddy. So, diyan lang po kayo and Brother Fish Mean standing. So, Mommy and Daddy, what is your message or wish for your son, Cruiser? Now, he's already turned 7 months. And of course, looking forward for his 1 year celebration. Mommy first?
Wish ko kay Cruiser making mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos at madiskarte like Papa. Yun.
Wow, thank you so much. What a sweet message. Everybody, one more time, let's give a round of applause for the wish of Mommy. Okay, and now, Daddy, are you ready? Okay, so I want you guys to listen very carefully, okay? Because Daddy is very, very emotional tonight. So, Daddy, wala pong iyakan. Message lang po ito, ha? Okay, so Daddy, what's your message for your son, Cruiser?
Teka lang, naiyak ako. Hindi, sa akin, lumaki kang babayero. Okay na yun. Huwag lang nilakero. Eh, ano lang, huwag ka lang magaya sa kama mo na gangster. Okay na yun. Lumaki ka lang na ikaw. Hindi na yun. Okay na sa akin.
Thank you so much. Okay, Mommy and Daddy, and message to all the friends and guests that have celebrated with Cruiser 7th-month celebration.
Nakita niya kasi mag-invite eh. Pero thank you po sa Phil-Ops, sa mga katoda, sa family ko. Isa kayo naman dyan! Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Ingat po, maraming salamat.
GC Chick on the house, motherfuckers! Salamat sa time. Alam ko, weekdays ngayon, pero pumunta pa rin kayo. Salamat. Kita-kita